much time for the light round. Remember, that's very about my name is Hamish Octave about myself. So don't know, of course, that we play them. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Skeet Daddy? Time for the lightning round. I want to start with David in Maryland. David.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Done your way.
I have to say, we are truly lucky to have a soul such as you in our world.
Thank you.
I was wondering what your thoughts are on the company Serve Robotics.
Okay, we are not going to be, we're back in that moment where we're not recommending companies that lose a ton of money because it's just not the right time. Let's go to Mike in Pennsylvania. Mike.
Yeah, listen, a couple of months ago, you recommended Builders, BLDR, FirstSource.
Yes.
I took a position in it. My question is, with the rate cuts already happening, is that price baked in?
No. This stock 15 times earned. This thing can go higher. This is precisely the kind of stock you should be buying at this stage of the cycle. Hold on. Let's go to Ron in Nevada. Ron.
Hey, Jim. Booyah, buddy. Hey, I'm calling about CMG. I bought it.
I think you're in great shape. Why? Because I am told, and I read a piece which says that they've got this new chicken that is the honey chicken, and I got to tell you, it doesn't sound like junk food to me. It sounds like good food to me, and that's why Chipotle is probably done going down, and I like it. But Brian Nickel, it's a twofer. I like him at Starbucks. I'm not done. Let's go to Fred in Kansas. Fred.
Hey, Jim. Good to talk to you. First-time caller, long-time listener, hopeful.
Sounds good. Okay.
And I'm calling about Vertex Pharmaceutical.
I think Vertex is great. Look, cystic fibrosis franchise is incredible and a terrible disease. But I also like the fact that what they're doing in terms of opiates. Look, this is a great company. No one ever talks about it. We've had them on. I think that they're brilliant. Okay, period, end of story. Let's go to Sam in New York. Sam.
Big booyah to you, Jim.
Done your way. Also, what's up?
Long-time listener, first-time caller, club member.
Sounds good. Oh, thank you.
Love your work. And by the way, I loved your description of the two gentlemen of Verona of NVIDIA.
Did you like that? I needed to put some Shakespeare, and that's my father, an English major's favorite moment in that incredible play. And I'm bringing the Bard back. I bring back Bard, the drug company, but it's already gone. It's more of a device company. Go ahead.
Wanted to hear your thoughts on Viking Therapeutics.
Okay, Viking Therapeutics, look, obviously they've got something that's very good against weight gain, but here's the problem. It costs so much money to build the factories, they're going to have to get a takeover to be able to do that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round!
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.